I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Infinity Luminary Syner-D massage chair. A great chair, made in a very good factory in China. It is one of the split track chairs that are out there, flex or split track chairs, and it has two sets of rollers. Oh, by the way, it's a strong massage chair. It gives you a good strong massage. So the factory gives you a head pillow, an upper back and neck pillow, and a full back pillow or pad if it's too intense for you. Anyways, this one has two rollers on the top and four rollers on the bottom. And if you're aware of the split tracks, you know that it's an L track, an SL track with a split in it, and the bottom third has its own roller mechanism, and the upper third, or the upper two-thirds, has its own roller mechanism. The one on the top comes down to the low back and up. The one in the lower third covers your buttock and the low back. And it's two roller balls up here, four roller balls down in the low back. Very good chair, good strong chair. It has a tablet remote. It has quick keys on the side, so you can operate the chair from just without having to turn on the remote and playing with the remote. You have a USB port to charge your device, and you also have a charging panel here, so you can lay your phone on there and charge it as well. It has Bluetooth speakers, it has a music system, it has Soothe Me sound therapy. It's called Soothe Me sound therapy, and when you turn that on, while you're sitting in the chair, you'll hear nature sounds coming out of the speakers, and you can adjust. You can choose different nature sounds, whether it's birds or water or whatever, trees. You can do those to help you relax. There's also an air ionizer which comes out of the hole on the left speaker, below the left speaker, and that's just basically blowing air, ideally purified air, going by your face. That also has chromotherapy lights. And it has about 66 airbags, so you got all kinds of air cells in this chair. In the ottoman, you have the airbags that compress the calves, but those airbags also knead your calves up and down or oscillate, which is great. If you've ever sat in a chair with kneading calf airbags, it's a wonderful experience. And you combine that with the foot airbags and the foot rollers, and there's 3 foot rollers on each side. There are calf rollers, by the way, calf rollers here, foot rollers here, and the kneading and the oscillating airbag there, and the compressing airbags here. It's a great foot and calf massage, wonderful foot and calf massage. The chair comes in black or brown. It has a memory function, which is very unique. You don't see a lot of memory functions on a lot of chairs. What that means is that you can create your own manual program. And let's say you want to create a program where you just have kneading and tapping in your neck at a certain intensity, at a certain speed. You can do all that, and then you can save that program. And not many chairs have that memory function where you can save your own program, so the next time you sit down, if you want to have a neck massage, you can just press the button for that particular program that you created, and it'll get right back into the old program. And that is a unique feature. Again, it's a cool feature. You'd think more chairs have it, but not a lot of chairs have it. This chair also has a voice command. You can tell the chair what to do, and there'll be a voice response to it at times as well. It has a 1-year labor warranty and a 3 years parts warranty and a 5-year frame warranty. But honestly, I've been in the business over 20 years, and I've only seen one chair that had a frame problem. And it was a chair that the frame was bent before it even left the factory in China. It was an old Panasonic chair. So the frame, it sounds like 5 years, and when people are pitching you the chair, they'll say, oh, this chair has a 5-year warranty. But understand that a 5-year warranty is a 5-year limited warranty. In other words, it's limited. You've got only 1 year of labor, 3 years of parts, 5 years of frame. Now, let's see, what else can I tell you about this? It has shoulder airbags to pin your shoulders back during the stretch. The stretch program is very good. The chair is a wall hugger, which means you can put that chair within just an inch of the wall. So it's great for space saving, but there's space saver chairs, and then there's wall hugger. Space saver is less than the old traditional 16 to 18 inches from the wall down to 4 to 6 inches, and then a wall hugger is down to an inch or within an inch of the wall. Great way to save length space in your abode. I think that's probably just about it. Most Infinity chairs are built for the American public, which means it can handle bigger bodies. So this chair can handle, and small and little. This one can handle 5 foot tall body type. up to, it says 6'6" in the literature, and someone that's 6'6" may fit in the chair, but the rollers may not go all the way up to the neck, the top of the neck. And of course, tall people have different proportions of torso to legs. If you've got really long legs and a short torso, it could work on a 6'6" person. But we would, the average fit for these types of chairs is about 6'4" across the board. But anyways, again, depending on the proportion of your height of torso and legs. But anyways, I think that's about it for the Infinity Luminary. It's a great chair. We love this chair. It's a popular chair, and it's built in a very good factory, the Rotei factory. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please feel free to thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel, and help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this video or any of our videos with your friends and family through your social media platforms. I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.